Welcome back. The old pros have some exciting things coming up, and I have Sheila Bialka and David Deering here to tell us all about them. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
It's lovely to be here.
Oh, you're always so excited.
Well, we've got some exciting things.
You do.
Yeah.
You do. So go ahead and start telling us about the Charlie Brown.
Oh, Charlie Brown. It's going to be our first musical that the old pros have ever done. It's a cute show. Everybody knows Charlie Brown.
Right.
And we have cast it, and now we're just waiting to get the official scripts. You have to get the official scripts from, you know, the people that own it, Tams Whitmark in this case.
Yeah. Okay.
So we can't really move until we get the official script, and we get the official script 3 months before the show.
Okay.
Otherwise, they charge you a lot more.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right.
So anyway, we're happy with the casting, and we're happy with the musical director is Sharon Rosen.
Oh, great.
And of course, Mark Hochberg will be the pianist, and then we'll have drums. So it's not going to be a big orchestra, but it'll be a real fun show. I mean, old people playing kids.
Now, which Charlie Brown is it? Is it the original Charlie Brown?
Yeah, we're going to do the original Broadway version.
Yes, we're all going to dance around and sing.
Yeah.
And how many people do you have in it?
Well, they've got the 5 main characters and then chorus.
Okay.
So it's child 1, child 2, child 3.
Now, do we know the people who are the cast? Have we had them on the show before? Do you know?
No, you haven't, but you'll be having them.
You will.
But we will be. I want to know who's playing Snoopy.
Something for you to look forward to. Well, originally we were hoping that David would play Snoopy, but he's not going to be around, so.
Oh.
Sorry, love.
Yeah. But he'd have been a great Snoopy.
Yeah. So when is it happening?
May.
Oh, in May.
May.
Oh, it's
May
of course.
17th, 18th, 19th.
You
So we've
needed
got a
the
way
months.
to go.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll keep you up to date as we go along.
All right. Well, good. So it's on
All the
May
bloopers.
17th, 18th, and 19th.
Yeah.
And so you said I'm going to have some people on here. So are people going to come on as you guys start your practices?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have them come on maybe in costume. You know, we're going to have special costumes made.
Oh, well, where do you get all your costumes from?
Well, I think the girl who's directing, she is also with the Emeritus. So she's got someone, I think, at Saddleback who's going to make them.
That's wonderful.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah,
How fun.
yeah, so
Very
there you are.
authentic.
And it's so much fun with costumes. Okay.
Well, I think it's better, don't you think?
so much fun getting into
All of
costume and performing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, well, good. And what about you? Are you in it?
No. I've got too many other things. I'm producing, of course.
Oh, okay. And what is your part? Do you have a part?
I'm helping Sheila. I always help Sheila. That's my role in life.
It's your whole life to help her out. Okay. All right. And then, David, you're talking about the meetings that you guys have. So tell me about your meetings.
Right. There are many people in this community who do not participate as much as maybe they would like or we would like people to participate. And we're very active in theater here, the old pros. And what we're doing for our meeting is we're having several experts in various fields set up a table so people can come, for example, if you're interested, let's say, in building sets, okay? We have Ken Simonson, who's going to be manning a table and answering any questions about set building and taking names and emails so we can incorporate people into our club.
Okay.
A lot of people can't memorize lines anymore, find it difficult to memorize lines, but still want to be involved in theater. So we have a variety of theater aspects that we'd like to get people involved in.
Okay.
Just to name a couple, we have sound, we have costumes, of course. I mentioned set building, producing, acting, directing, stage managing, backstage crew. We're always looking for people to work backstage with props and so on. So we would love to have lots and lots of people come and tell us what they would like us to have. Okay.
Yeah.
We also do a lot of shared readings, okay, staged readings, which provide people an opportunity to perform, but without having to memorize lines.
Yeah.
So really excited about this
I think people
opportunity.
forget how much actually goes into a production. It's not just the acting. It's not just, the performing or the singing. There's so much behind the scenes. So I think that's a great idea. You can have different aspects to it so people can go, oh, I used to woodwork. I could probably help with that. So that's a great idea.
Exactly.
Great idea.
And I'll be perfectly honest with you. When I direct a show and I'm casting, I tend to cast people who've helped backstage,
Oh,
who've
good.
done their bit. You know what I
Yes,
mean?
yeah, paid their
Not
dues.
yeah, that's
Right,
it. Not
exactly.
people who
Right.
just walk in and say, "Oh, I want to act," and don't want to do anything else.
And it's also an opportunity for our experts, so to speak, to share what they do, because they get excited about what they do.
Exactly,
So
and
works
what,
both ways.
what better way to get to know somebody than to hear them
Absolutely.
talk about what they've done? So
Absolutely.
excellent. When are the meetings again?
The meeting is Thursday the 14th.
Okay.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Ah, wear your red.
At Clubhouse 7, starts
Okay.
at 4 o'clock. And there are
Okay.
always refreshments.
Okay.
And time to socialize and meet people and talk about theater.
And we get through by 6, so you can still go out for dinner with your Valentine. If
Oh,
you
well,
have to.
perfect.
Right.
Well, perfect.
We're not cutting into
We're not
somebody's
cutting
dinner.
into that. Okay, good. All right. Now, the most exciting thing that's happening this week is tomorrow. You guys are airing your second episode of Tales from the Woods. Can
Yeah.
you give us a little snippet real quick about what we can expect?
Well, I know that Mark Hochberg is going to be in this episode. You know, Mark who
Oh.
plays the piano. Everybody knows
Oh.
Mark.
What's he gonna do in it?
This'll, I can't
Come
say.
on, give us. Come on.
I can't say. I
You
mean,
need to give us a little snippet,
it's
just
gonna-
like, you know.
It's going to be a big surprise.
Pretend it's The View, and
And
we're
he's
on
not-
The View, and you're going to give us a little
Right.
He's
snippet,
not,
right?
I'll
So
tell
little
you this much,
insight.
he's not playing the piano.
He's not playing the piano. Okay, so that's going to, what time is that air?
That's on at 6 o'clock tomorrow on
6
Channel
o'clock,
6,
okay.
and then 12 o'clock on Monday.
Okay, so repeat
Yeah,
on Monday. Okay,
yeah.
so if you miss it on Sunday, then you can do it, watch it on Monday.
I want to add something as well to David's bit. Thanks to Ken here, our famous, wonderful Ken, gave me a brilliant idea about doing a podcast.
Oh.
So people will be able to read. It's a broadcast.
Ah.
And we can do the old-fashioned radio show.
Oh,
we
neat.
can do all kinds of good things.
Okay.
And people don't have to do anything but act with their voice.
And have you started that yet?
No, we are
Okay.
looking into it. There's a lot to it, you know.
Yeah.
As like everything else that's new, you've got to explore and you've got
Right,
to find out how much it's going to cost and where you're going to do this at,
Exactly.
and the equipment you need. And,
Right,
But
right.
we will get there. We will
Well,
get there.
good.
So just let people know that they
Okay.
will be doing readings.
Well, you
So-
keep us posted on when that happens.
and the ongoing Into the Woods, you know.
Tales of the Woods.
Again,
All right.
the Old Pros is always looking for people to become involved.
Exactly.
Okay? And
Yeah.
the more opportunities we have, the more likely we're going to get people in the community.
Okay.
That's it.
Come and
That's it.
support us and have some fun.
Perfect.
Doing it. Yeah.
All right, you guys,
Yeah.
thank you so much. It was nice
Thank
to have
you,
you on.
Lisa.
Good luck
Thank
to
you.
everything.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much for
All
having
right.
us.
Yeah.
And remember, if you want to be a part of the Old Pros next Thursday, wait, is it next Thursday, right?
The 14th.
The 14th at 6
Valentine's
o'clock,
Day.
Valentine's Day. You can learn all about different aspects of the Old Pros and join them if you can. We'll be right back.